I haven't done it in the last couple of months. I've been so focused, I'm time limited. I kept trying to work on content and things like that, and fixing any problems that popped up. So I haven't done it in a while. In the past, I have, yeah.
Okay. And then what did you do when you were doing some link building?
Guest posts. I've gotten a few links from other guy sites to certain articles, and I've done other people the same favor as well. Let's see. I think those were the two biggest ones. Oh, the commenting originally when I started course coming out when my site was brand new, I did quite a bit of commenting, blog commenting. Yeah.
Okay. And did you find the blog commenting helpful at all? Because a lot of people are like, it's a total waste of time. And so what did you find?
It's hard. I don't have data to back it up, but I think that it did help some. Yeah. I think that in some cases I had posts where I was too ambitious with the keyword. It was just something I wasn't going to have. The level required for me to rank higher was steeper than I understood back then. But now things have gotten easier, and something like that would be more effective. Yeah.